My first time at Flow it really expanded my understanding of how automation and AI are really going to transform our service delivery model and the value that we bring to our customers.
I think Flow compares to other MSP-focused events in the way that it's more leading edge as far as where the industry needs to go.
Flow is different than other conferences in the MSP space because it's not focused on one product. It's focused on the technology itself, RPA and automation.
I think what sets Flow apart from some of the other events is not too salesy. I remember getting quite a bit of inspiration from one of the talks last year, and it had nothing to do with Roost.
There's probably 500 people here, and it's big enough that you can see it's got a critical mass, but it's small enough that you can engage one-on-one with the attendees. What I really like about the event is that everyone's here is here for a very specific need. Everyone's here because they're interested in automation, they're interested in AI, and they're looking for ways to leverage that for their business and for their customers.
What brings me back to Flow is being able to talk to other experts in the field to be able to get new ideas to bring back to my company.
I was at last year's Flow, and it was a great first session. And this year, just seeing the evolution, not only in the conference itself, beyond the sessions, the vendors, the actual connecting with the community, that's what comes first. And you'll see that at many other MSP conferences, and it's a reused term, but it is true. The community. We're nothing without it. We're gonna learn and evolve from each other. We're all gonna make mistakes, but if we learn together, we're all gonna rise up. Without the community, we will never be able to succeed, but together, we can. And that's what Flow is it's the true automation community that's open sourced, available to everyone, and you're not boxed in like you could be somewhere else.